we are engraving the fragrance notes into the glass. We engrave the label information on the inside of our lids. Engrave your glass candles for a beautiful glow-through effect. And sublimation gives us vibrant color that won't fade or rub off. Make gifts that celebrate milestones. Personalize your candles for meaningful gifts. These are not sublimation blanks, just ordinary matte candle vessels. Join us at the Candle Artist Way, where we teach you how to sublimate and engrave your candles. It's free on YouTube.